Today in this video I show you how to recover deleted story on Instagram. For this you have to open Instagram. Now click on profile icon. Now if I open my story and then click on three dots. Now click on delete. Again click on delete. Then as you can see my story is deleted. Now if I want to restore this deleted story, then I will click on this menu icon. Now click on your activity. Open recently deleted. Now if I click on this stories icon, then you can see the story I deleted recently is showing like this, and I can restore or recover the story within 30 days. And once these 30 days complete, my story will be removed completely from Instagram. Now if I restore or recover my currently deleted story by opening it and click on three dots, then you can see restore option is showing. If I click on it and again click on restore, my story will be restored. If I go back to profile page and refresh profile page, then my currently deleted story will show on stories like this. But if I want to restore any other stories that has been deleted from archive and complete the 24 hours time limit, then I will click on menu icon and again click on your activity. Open recently deleted. Again click on stories icon. Now if I restore any other story that is not posted on your story, click on three dots, click on restore, again click on restore. Then this story will restore on my archived section. Go back and click on archived. You can see recovered story is showing. So this is how you can recover deleted story on Instagram. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like this.